The Lowe's Quality Assurance Team has tasked the Lowe's Station 2 team to design and build a test certification station for our senior design project. The project consists of designing and building a universal cycle testing apparatus for various Lowe's products. The testing apparatus will also function as a furniture durability tester. The durability tester will consist of a PLC-based drop test and a backrest test. The specifications for the project are as follows. For the drop test, varying weights of at least 125 pounds will be dropped from varying heights of at least 1.4 inches above the seat. The test should complete 10 to 30 cycles per minute for a total of 10,000 to 20,000 cycles. For the backrest test, the back of the seat will be repeatedly pulled on with at least 75 pounds of force. This test will also run between 10 to 30 cycles per minute for a total of at least 20,000 cycles. The universal cycle test should be reconfigurable to allow cycle testing of various Lowe's products. 20 amp receptacles and at least 4 independent controllable pneumatic solenoid valves are required. The new Hmi design implements a more organized approach of the program. Here you can see the main page, the test overview page, backrest test page, and the seat durability test page, all with their own individual screens. The main screen consists of push buttons to allow for easy navigation, and the test overview page displays the data for each test. Each test also has its own individual page to display data and allows the user to change the numeric entry for force or cycle count as desired, along with an emergency button to shut off the test immediately. The test station is accommodated with a few safety features to help in the case of an emergency. When pressed, the emergency button deactivates the entire electrical system by cutting off the 120 volt AC that would be coming from the electrical outlet. The on-screen emergency switch cuts off all of the tests that are operating. The flowchart explains overall how the testing station works. When ready, an operator will choose from 3 different tests. The PLC will activate separate relays for the universal test in order to operate the tool being tested for both a certain amount of cycles and cycle time. The operator will then select which outlet they're using, the desired cycle count, and the desired cycle time. After pressing start, the test will activate the outlet specified along with the relay and the solenoid associated with the outlet selected. To run the drop test, the PLC energizes the electromagnet and extends the air cylinder to pick up the weight bag. The electromagnet then de-energizes to induce a free fall. The last test is the backrest test, and this test runs by retracting a pneumatic cylinder at a specified amount of force until the cycle count is reached or until failure. All tests are functional through the use of a touchscreen HMI. The system can be shut down at any time through the HMI or through the external emergency stop button. Our plans for Senior Design 2 are to assemble the overall testing structure once our parts start arriving. After assembling the structure, we will be able to run multiple tests and troubleshoot the testing station.